Hey guys, this is Nelson from Federal Brace, here to introduce our wine display shelf system. This system comes with two brackets, a right and a left hand, that have holes in it for the rods. There will be 6 rods in the kit. Your choice of 3 finishes: gold, silver, and black. The overall dimensions, 27¼ inches wide with a 13½ inch depth. Storage capacity for the neck down and neck up versions is 9 bottles. For the horizontal, it's going to be 6. This system will hold bottles of any size. Just like everything we do, this product is 100% made in the United States of America. So we designed and engineered the wine display shelf system for both residential and commercial applications, using it in a kitchen, in a living room, anywhere where you want to display wine, in a home, but also in a commercial space, in a store where you're going to want to sell product. So now we're going to go step by step on exactly how to install this bracket to a wall. All right, let's put this on the wall. All right, that's it. Pretty quick, pretty easy. Available now, federalbrace.com. We'll see you next time.